everyone, welcome to my channel. Now if you're watching this, odds are you either saw my blue whale video or you want to know how to go viral on YouTube. And I'm going to tell you, and I'm not going to beat around the bush, I'm not going to make you watch the entire video just to find out how, but first I did want to tell you where I'm at. Right now I am about 2.5-3 miles off the coast of La Jolla Shores here in San Diego, California. I'm on my 14-foot inflatable bluefin paddleboard, an excellent paddleboard by the way, and I'm out here where a bunch of gray whales will soon be migrating past on their way from Alaska all the way down to the lagoons in Baja California, Mexico. Now, the answer that I hope many of you clicked this video for: how did I go viral on YouTube? Well, the basic, pure, simple answer is luck. But there's a few elements with that luck that actually made it happen. And the first one would be the content, right? So yes, YouTube recommended my video and I went viral. That's what really happened, right? So YouTube said, hey, here's a 35-second clip of a guy experiencing an amazing moment. Because that's what it's really about. YouTube recommended it, but why did YouTube recommend it? Well, they recommended it because it's not the best quality video, it's not the longest video, but it's an amazing moment. The content itself, the experience, was epic. I'm in a kayak 12 miles off the coast, and a blue whale swims right underneath me and then breaches right there. That is amazing. And that's interesting. And the video quality is really terrible. It's the first time I used a GoPro. It's an old GoPro. I believe that was a GoPro 3 that I found in the kelp forest. So the quality's not good. I clearly don't know what I'm doing with it. And if you're not into ASMR, the sound is also pretty bad. But all those things being said, it still is an interesting video. Now, why is that? Well, it's a blue whale. And I am clearly shocked as all get up, right? Like, it's my first time seeing a blue whale. Disclosure, I at the time was a kayak tour guide, so I'd actually seen plenty of gray whales, which is fantastic and majestic, but they're not blue whales. They're literally like 40% as big as a blue whale. So amazing. And the title of the video is Blue Whale Encounter, which that's a fairly high-ranking search term, right? People search for that on YouTube. And there's actually quite a bit of videos out there. Amazing videos. I mean, that's the thing about YouTube, right? Is if you can think of it, someone's probably filmed it. If we want to dive deeper into why it went viral, because yes, YouTube recommended it. And why did they recommend it? Because it's a pretty crazy moment. And I didn't know anything about thumbnails or anything like this. But the thumbnail that YouTube chose was a still of me, and that thumbnail plus the description, Blue Whale Encounter, that strikes our curiosity as someone that's potentially going to watch. So when we see that, we say, hey, I want to see that blue whale because I don't see it in the thumbnail, so I'm going to click. And then it's short, it's only 35 seconds, so it's not that hard to have a high retention rate, but it does have a high retention rate. So once you click on it, people generally watch it all the way to the end. And it's crazy, so people comment on it. Because I posted that video 6 years ago. And at the time, it was my first video I posted on YouTube. It goes, what I thought at the time was viral. Over the course of a few months, I had thousands of views. And before it just took off a couple months ago, I think I had around 25,000 views. So it had engagement and it had some natural virality to it a little bit. It was shared here and there. But YouTube eventually said, you know what, people will probably watch this, so I'm going to recommend it. And it showed it with its impressions to 17 million people, right? And so 17 million people saw it in their recommendation feed, and almost 3 million people clicked it, which was crazy. And from that, I gained 1,500 subscribers, and 4,000 plus watch hours easily. So I was able to monetize my video. And so what I want to do, friends, is I want to show you the journey that I'm about to begin, that I'm already on a little bit, on how to make money on YouTube. There's all kinds of wonderful channels on this, and I thought I would do my experience. And I thought I'd do it where it all began, right here in the ocean. And bonus, I have other videos of whales on my channel, so you should check those out. I'll link them here in the description. Isn't that what YouTubers do? But I'm going to document this journey right here on the ocean, because this is where it all began. And this is where, in a couple months, we're gonna see tons of gray whales. So every Saturday, a little salty Saturday, if you will, I'm gonna grab my gear, I'm gonna grab this 14-foot bluefin paddleboard, and I'm gonna paddle out off the coast of La Jolla. I'm gonna aim to go about 4 miles out, straight this way. And I'm gonna hopefully get some rad footage of some gray whales. And I'm gonna talk about how I monetize my channel, how to make money on YouTube, because my day job is a marketer. So CPC, KPIs, all those marketing acronyms, we're gonna use those, and we're gonna try to use what I do every day at work to market and sell product and services. I'm gonna try to do it for myself. Because if you peruse this channel at all, you're probably like, who is this weird blue whale guy? There's videos of him eating cereal. There's videos of him drinking beer out of his shoes with his friends in his fantasy football league. There's tech review videos, and maybe the weirdest of all, although the cereal eating is pretty weird, there's videos of me reciting poo poetry from a book that I wrote called 101 Poo Poems by Dr. Deuce, which makes an excellent Christmas, birthday, grad, white elephant gift. Link in the description below. Really appreciate your support. It's actually selling quite well on Amazon, but you can also get it at dukejarbo.com. So anyway, with all that weird collection of videos and some random tech tube reviews, right? You're probably like, what's going on here? What am I here for? Well, I'm going to add a new category, like I said, how to make money on YouTube. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you all my analytics. I'm going to show you all the money that I make, and I'm going to show you my journey on how to get to hopefully 1 million subscribers. So, if you've made it to the end, I appreciate you. And stay tuned for more. And have a wonderful